mountain in Iceland trying to catch up with the group because Hakan is setting up his drone, and maybe we'll try to see if we can get it up and running.
Oh, battery full. One more less battery.
My heart's beating like a racehorse, but the view's alright. That's our city, right there.
In Iceland. I think we're like 900 meters high. If you want to have a look, have a gander over there with the camera. Look at that view, boy.
Oh.
We've got like 70 meters to go, and that's it. We're going to be at the peak. We're going to be on top
really,
of the floor,
my legs are absolutely shaking.
Whoa!
I'm gonna do this.
Just keep on, man. So we made it to the top of this mountain. I don't know what it's called. What it's called? How you feeling, man?
I am tired. Oh, my legs are gone. I just want to go home.
Okay. Yeah, just casually sitting on the top of a mountain in Iceland. We're quite like the few ones who made it, I think. On the top of a random mountain here in Iceland.
We're on the top.
He made it. She made it with Primark shoes.
For 12 pounds.
ADIDAS shoes.
Show your shoes.
Oh.
And my gloves.
We made it up a mountain that's what, 950 meters high?
I have no idea, nearly 1,000 meters.
And it's snowing. The snow is like what, like I don't know, 10 centimeters.
And it's
to some
so
extent.
slippery.
Yeah, and our shoes, your shoes, and the socks like mine are.
Oh wow, look at your trousers.
Crazy.
Are you swimming in the snow?
I was actually, when I was right at the beginning, I was just crawling.
At the beginning?
Yeah, I was just crawling up. I was like, so tired. Man.
Yeah, be really careful. You're very at the edge.
Going down again.
Yeah, we're heading down. Are you ready to go down? I think I'm ready to go down now. It's super cold. Let go.
Are you ready to go? No, I don't know.
Ready, let's make a move.
Come on, guys.
Are we ready to go first? Do you want to go first?
Yeah.
Again, yeah.
You need to follow the path. No way. Oh, could you hold this one?
It's me.
You're looking sharp.
It's the kid. This is the man. He's the man.